If you've ever heard the term SEO and thought, I have no idea what that means, you're not alone. And the problem is, a lot of SEO advice is either overcomplicated or it assumes you already understand the basics. So in this video, I'm going to break SEO down as simply as possible, what it is, why it matters, and how to actually use it in your small business. Whether you're selling on Etsy, running your own website, or even posting on social media, this is something that can help people actually find you. So SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, but all that really means is helping your content show up when people search for something. For example, if somebody types in lavender soap on Etsy or house cleaner near me on Google, SEO is what helps your business appear in those results. It's not about tricking the system, it's about matching what people are already searching for. SEO matters because it brings people to you without you having to constantly promote or run ads. Instead of chasing customers, you're making it easier for customers to find you. And this works across multiple platforms: Etsy, your websites, blog posts, YouTube, even social media. Anytime someone is searching for something, SEO is involved. To understand SEO, you need to understand how people search. People don't usually search in perfect sentences. They type in simple phrases: handmade soap gift, best candle for relaxation, lawn care near me. So instead of thinking about what you would call your product, think about what a customer would type. That is the key to SEO. Next is where to use SEO. This is where SEO really starts to matter. A lot of people think SEO only applies to websites, but it applies in more places than most people realize. On Etsy, SEO is used for your title, your tags, your description, and your categories. And even in places people don't always think about, like image file names and alt text for photos. On your own website, it shows up in page titles, headings, product descriptions, blog posts, and image alt text. And even on social media, SEO plays a role. Captions, hashtags, video titles, and descriptions. Basically, anywhere you add text, SEO can help. So now let's simplify how to actually do this. Step 1 is figuring out what people are searching for. You can do this by typing into Etsy or Google and looking at suggestions, seeing what similar listings are using, and paying attention to common phrases. Step 2 is using those phrases naturally. You don't need to overdo it, just include them in your title, your description, and your tags. The goal is clarity, not stuffing keywords everywhere. Some common mistakes people make with SEO is trying to be too creative with names instead of being clear, using words customers aren't searching for, or not using keywords at all. A simple title that matches what someone is searching for will almost always perform better than something vague. And SEO is not instant. It takes time for platforms to recognize and rank your content. So if you don't see results right away, that's normal. The key is consistency. Over time, good SEO builds momentum. SEO doesn't have to be complicated. At its core, it's just about helping people find what you're already offering. Once you start thinking in terms of what people are searching for, it becomes much easier to apply. And if you want more help with this, I have other videos on the channel covering marketing, branding, and building a small business. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.